Hi there, I'm G, and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making squid ink pasta with crispy prosciutto and truffle honey. This recipe combines handmade squid ink pasta, creamy ricotta, crispy prosciutto, and truffle honey. My mouth is already watering. But before I begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, we are going to prepare the squid ink pasta dough. Place the 00 flour on a clean work surface and make a large hole in the middle. Next, add 2 eggs, 3 egg yolks, and the squid ink to the hole. Squid ink is naturally salty, so there's no need to add additional salt to the dough. Then mix the eggs and ink and slowly work your flour in with the liquid. Keep mixing until a dough forms. Make sure you continue to knead with your hands until the elastic and smooth dough forms. This may take about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the temperature of your kitchen or the brand of flour that you're using. You may need to add more 00 flour as you go. If you have a stand mixer, you can also do this step in the stand mixer with the dough hook attachment. Form the dough into a smooth ball. You will know your dough is ready if you can poke a shallow divot in the center of the ball. It should not break, crumble, or sink too much. It should spring back slightly and remain smooth. Once the dough is ready, wrap it loosely in plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for 30 minutes. Make sure you don't skip this step. Resting allows the gluten to relax and the flour to fully hydrate, creating a smoother and more flexible dough. After 30 minutes, divide the dough into 4 small balls. Dust your work surface with semolina flour. Then take 1 small dough ball and with a rolling pin, gently flatten the dough into a disc. Next, run the disc through the widest setting of the pasta roller. Repeat this step 3 times. Then take the flaps of both ends and bring them to the middle. Then fold lengthwise to form a rectangle. Reduce the width of the pasta roller by 1 notch and roll the dough through this setting. Again, fold the flaps, put the dough back into the machine, and roll 1 more time on the same setting. Roll until you've reached your desired thickness. If you don't have a pasta machine, you can just repeat the exact process of rolling, folding, and flattening, but with a rolling pin and some elbow grease. You just want to make sure that each time you roll your pasta, that it is slightly thinner than the previous roll. Once you've achieved your desired thickness, place the pasta on top of a floured baking sheet or pan, and flour the top as well. Repeat this with the remaining dough, but make sure that no 2 sheets of pasta touch without flour. Otherwise, they will stick. Once all of your pasta is done, you can cut it into the desired shape with a knife or pasta cutter. Pasta dough is super versatile, so feel free to experiment with shapes and sizes. Uncut pasta can even be used to make ravioli. You'll just need some filling and a recipe. But don't worry, Cozymeal has got you covered. Check out our mushroom ravioli recipe after you finish this video. We'll have it linked down below. But once you have your pasta cut into your desired shapes, you're ready to cook. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil. Once boiling, add 1 tablespoon of salt and add the pasta in batches. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, let's prepare the sauce. Add sliced prosciutto to a cold pan on medium-low heat to render the fat and become crispy. Set the crispy prosciutto aside, then mix honey and truffle oil. Next, add salt to the ricotta. Toss the cooked pasta with the ricotta and mix well. Top with the truffle honey and crispy prosciutto. Garnish with shaved truffle or Parmesan and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes. We will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.